Dear Professor Westenberger, what can I expect as a participant in the computer science research seminar?
Yes, what you can expect is knowledge about tools, techniques, and especially methods. It's important to clearly define objectives in a typical research context to make informed decisions about method selection, to find the best way to achieve the goals that you have to define, and finally to present the results in a written and also in the oral form according to good scientific practices. I believe that these skills will be highly beneficial for you for your master thesis as well for many modules and projects.
Is the seminar similar to a lecture, Guide to Scientific Work?
We plan that you will get an overview about the different types of scientific research in computer science and the common methods used there and how to apply these methods, and also about the criteria to evaluate scientific performance.
Often, scientific work seminars focus heavily on literature work.
Yes, the term guide to scientific work does indeed fit. We will cover literature work as well. Literature work is important for computer science research. It's important to find good sources. It's important to be able to qualify what are good sources and to document the literature work according to scientific practices. But literature work is frequently only a first step in computer science research. The development of IT artifacts is frequently a central part of it. The development of IT artifacts is a constructive research that is well described with the term design science research.
Can you explain the terms IT artifact and design science research?
Sure. An IT artifact is an object that we develop in the field of information systems of computer science. And such an object is a tangible or non-tangible element, a software, a system, a model, a framework. It's a specific solution for a problem or something to achieve a particular goal. And the goal and the core of design science research involves to demonstrate the utility, the effectiveness by using strict, rigorous methods to validate, to assess the utility, the quality, the efficiency of design artifacts. And we are also using frequently quantitative approaches for this. We are using examples for this example, we will use RStudio, for example, for hypothesis testing. And we will look what we can draw as conclusion out of such quantitative analysis for scientific investigations.
How can I concretely understand the hypothesis testing you mentioned?
Design science research requires not just developing a specific singular solution for a problem. I believe that's important to scan the problem space systematically to achieve a desired outcome and also taking into account problem environment constraints. This involves that the solution quality should be measured. And as long as we are able to measure something in the problem space, an IT artifacts that has been developed, we are able to compare different solutions. And for this, for example, we can use hypothesis testing.
How is the seminar practically conducted? Do I need to come to Gummersbach for it?
The seminar starts as a block course at the beginning of the semester, the campus Gummersbach. And following after the foundational content, practical exercises will take a large part of our seminar. We will use current topics for it. For example, the field of artificial intelligence. We'll use it for our exercises. And the block course also concludes with a presentation crash course, including video feedback.
How is the grade for the seminar determined?
Yes, at the end of the block course, a scientific paper will be provided for which a peer review must be created. This peer review will be presented in both in writing and orally form, and that will be the basis for our grade. If you have further questions, don't hesitate to contact me via my email address hartmut.westenberger@th-cologne.de. Thank you.